Mix Creator. Hopping straight into this video, let's talk about this beautiful wig I was sent from OMgHerHair. Make sure to check the description box just in case any of you guys are interested. Now, they sent over this 360 lace wig, you guys. It is a yaki texture. Now, the knots did not come bleached, but you can go in and bleach them. I will say the lace on this wig is melty. It blends in so nice. Now, this is like one of those 4C edge wigs, and I did go in and flat iron this just to cut down some time when applying this wig. I also went ahead and removed the combs that was sewn into this wig just to make the wig lay flatter. But let me just say this wig is absolutely phenomenal, okay? I wish that I took the time out to actually bleach the knots because it would have been a 10. Right now it's like a 9, okay? It's still giving 9. It would have pushed it to a 10 if I would have bleached the knots, but I'm not mad at it, you guys. The fit, I can't remember the cap size. Also, this is 20 inches. I don't know if I said that or not, but the length of this wig is 20 inches. Back to how good this wig is treating me. Y'all, I don't really think that y'all understand how much I love this freaking wig. And it just looks so natural down to the hairline. I did not pluck the hairline. Only thing I did was straighten the edges. I actually straightened the whole wig, like I said, to cut down some time when I applied it. And it straightened really good. Now, this is a yaki texture, so it didn't lose all of its texture when I was straightening the hair. It also holds a curl really good. And I didn't spray anything on it to, make the curls last. It just, stayed that way. But I do style this, and this is why I said, girl, this is weekend hair, okay? This is like a weekend wig because you could just style it any way you want to. Okay, now we get into the good part. Because 360 wigs never really fit my head, so I can't really use the lace in the back. But y'all, this wig was fitting okay. So I'm like, hold up. Now I discovered that I can tack it down in the back. So I didn't show you what I used to tack the lace down because I definitely wanted a more stronger hold. So I used liquid gold bow hold. And when I tell you this wig did not budge, y'all look at that. I was so pumped that it looked like really natural. It looks like a freaking kitchen in the back. And a kitchen to where as though like it looks like my hair. Y'all can't tell me this don't look like just a ratchet ass kitchen that somebody needs to flat on. And I was so pumped that it looked that natural. I didn't even take the time out to flat on it, you guys, or to straighten the kitchen in the back, okay? And I left out the house like that and everything because I didn't care. It just looked so real to me, and I was just shocked over the fact that the lace actually stayed. Wow. Now, one regret that I do have is my wig cap underneath. I wish I would have went for the black one. I didn't, but I mean, it's cool. The next time I reapply this wig, definitely a live and learn moment, but I'm here for this wig for sure. Y'all let me know what y'all think. What are y'all, Friday, Saturday, a little bit of Sunday, good old church, Yeah, but that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see y'all in my next video. Baby, we come
you.